Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 4, Lordship. Lordship, Senior Counsel Mr. Paul is having some personal difficulties today.
I think this court has made, has made it very clear this matter is not, cannot be adjourned. We cannot go on like this. We'll have it on Monday.
Lordship.
This Leonard Counsel petitioner has sought for accommodation on the ground that the Leonard Senior Counsel, Mr. K. Paul, is indisposed on grounds of personal difficulty. As prayed for, matters allowed. As prayed for, adjournment is allowed. Place this matter on 3rd.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 7. Lordship.
On premier ready petitioner, this is matter of 2 weeks.
Very obliged, Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item 15, my lord. It's a criminal appeal. The paper books are ready for hearing, my lord. I'm not ready as yet, my lord. Kindly allow me 2 weeks' time, my lord.
On premier ready appellant by Mr. Legal aid matter.
This is a legal aid matter.
Leonard Legal Aid Counsel, matter is adjourned. This is same after 3 weeks.
My lord, obliged.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship.
Who's for the, what is this matter about?
It's a service benefit of lower court staff.
2022 matter.
Lordship,
He has since
Lordship,
retired.
Yes,
He's still in service or he has retired?
I have no instruction.
On premier by Mr. H. Karonang, Leonard. Additional senior G, matter is adjourned. This is after 1 week.
Lordship, may I make it 2 weeks, Lordship. We're still examining the matter, Lordship.
2 weeks. Who is examining the matter?
Lordship, the Learner Advocate General, Learner EG.
Yes.
Lordship, Lodge.
From daily list item number 1.
My lord, this matter is still pending before the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
Ms. Arpulli Leonard J has submitted that the matter is still pending before the Supreme Court. As such, on premier, this matter is adjourned. Place the same after 6 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Item number 2.
Same, Your Lordship. Same order.
Same order.
Item number 3.
Lordship, I received the copies of the certified copies yesterday only. The paper book is yet to be prepared, Lordship.
Oh, paper book. Miss Peeper Study Learner Counsel for the appellant has submitted that the paperwork could not be filed today as the same has not yet been completed. As compilation of the same has not been completed.
Your Lordship, Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
And Pinongri, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The question of maintainability may be kept open, Your Lordship.
Matter has already been posted for hearing, so
Your Lordship.
you can raise that issue at the at the time of final argument.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship. Congratulations.
Maintainability is always open. You see, even on merits, the appeal can be disposed of either this way or that way. Okay. No. Accordingly, on premium, this is matter up to 2 weeks.
Item number 6.
Number 6, I bring some accommodation after 2 weeks.
2022 matter.
Next date,
Next week.
after 2 weeks.
Dr. N. Musical, Leonard, Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner sought for accommodation on grounds of personal difficulty. Pre-allowed, as prayed for, pre-allowed. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 8.
You have no idea.
Who was appearing for the petitioner?
Lordship, in the earlier round, Mr. Sinkon was appearing, then he withdrew himself from there, and the Honorable Court was pleased to issue notice to the writ petitioner.
There are how many? 10 petitioners.
Lordship, I actually yes, Your Lordship. 10 writ petitioners.
Office note dated 5/9/2025 would indicate that notice has been issued to the petitioners to engage a new counsel. However, till date, no service report has been received by this court. Accordingly, the same is awaited. This is matter of the 2 weeks.
Lordship, I'm waiting for respondent number 7. Lordship.
Doesn't matter. Let the petitioner come first.
Item number 9.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is a writ petition, Your Lordship, filed by the petitioner under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, praying for her entitlement, because, Your Lordship, she was appointed in 1993, Your Lordship. She was appointed by
how many respondents are there?
3, because 3 Nehu UGC and Ministry of Human Resource, Your Lordship, Union of India, represented by Mr. Devnath, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, Nehu has already filed reply. UGC has already filed, but Ministry of Human Resource number 1, Union of India, represented by Mr. Devnath, nothing has come forward, because it was initially it was funded by the MHRD, but thereafter in 2018 the funding stopped by the MHRD. But I have not petition. I no help or assistance from the Union of India, whether he has sub notice to them. Even court has, from the court, Honorable Court number 2 has already passed one order for proper representation by the MHRD, but I am not getting any proper assistance because petitioner was after 2094. Who is
Mr. Depna? Yes, Dr. Musika. You are I believe you are the chief officer representing the union.
No, they've not.
Do you have any kind of a hierarchy in your setup?
Earlier,
where you see if CGC is not appearing, then you are
Uninformed.
Otherwise, you cannot just. If he's not there, you have to take over.
but your lordship,
You are the
his
senior
presence
officer.
is required, your lordship, because assistance from the Ministry of HRD is required.
Exactly. We are on the issue of representation now. We are on the issue of representation
Yes, your lordship.
of the respondent.
Yes, your lordship. Number one.
If he is not there, then
1 year is gone, your lordship, because 23's case, no
Yes,
reply.
Mr. Devnath, where were you?
No file, nothing. Not working.
Yes.
So, Your Lordship, in this matters, we have once a letter sent to this ministry and nothing was come out. And then after that, no correspondence also, Your Lordship.
If any relief is sought from you, in absence of any response from you, then there will be adverse inference or adverse order against you.
So, Your Lordship, in this matters, they didn't ask any relief from us.
But that's what
Yes, your
she said.
lordship, relief is there. Earlier, there is a prayer. One prayer was for absorption in Nehu. Absorption of petitioner by the Nehu, because SRC was functioning under the Department of Nehu, Northeastern Hill University, which is a central university, your lordship. She was working as a project officer, MA MPhil in sociology for 26 years, and unceremoniously, without issuing any notice or informing, the SRC has been shut down. Now petitioner is claiming for compensation or one time anything entitlement, your lordship. Without giving anything in 2018, MHRD stopped funding, and followed by the owned up.
Your appointment is project based.
Yes, project based, but it may continue. They continued up to, it was for 5 years.
You see, if it is project based,
Yes,
then
sir.
at the end of the project, definitely you are not entitled to be.
But
absorbed.
they allow.
Number one, irrespective of the years, you may have been there for 10 years, 20 years, until and unless you are appointed to a sanctioned post, until and unless there are conditions wherein it is said that it would be said that at the conclusion of the project you will be suitably accommodated somewhere else. If those conditions are not there, then you
But
have
your
no-
lordship, as per some word judgment is there, one word judgment is there. If it is owned up, if there is a owned up of the company, or if it is a scheme, there is a one-time compensation is the one-time compensation. But she was unceremoniously, without providing any notice,
Who is
without
to give the compensation?
compensation now, because sealed up to 2018 she received salary from the SRC director, but sealed by the Nehu, BC Nehu, your lordship. So it is Nehu to clarify why they are saying it is dealing from SRC has been dealing from Nehu in 1998 as per the affidavit. But no notice was provided to the petitioner that it is dealing. Had she known?
So where was the fund coming from?
MHRD now
through Nehu.
It is directly given to SRC, State Resource Center Business Building, your lordship.
Then what has Nehu got to do with that?
No, because appointment was SRC was under Nehu that time. Only when they filed affidavit, I came to know that it is delinked in 1998. Petitioner has no knowledge. She joined in 94. Had she known all these things, she could have applied somewhere. She was very much within the eligible age. So nothing was furnished to her whether Nehu has delinked, because it is a central university. So all the terms and conditions are provided under central government. So nothing has been provided to her. And just answer, now she has crossed 60. This year she has crossed 60. So there is no question of absorption. Only one-time payment or any entitlement, your lordship, because she worked since 94 to 2018 continuously without any break in service. It is now it is Education Department, Ministry of Education Department, Government of India. Only Mr. CGSC can help us with the thing that why they have stopped, your lordship. Only one letter, your lordship. Please kindly, your lordship, make render one order so that
Your lordship, here in this matters, if I
just one
your
notice he has sent.
Your
Thereafter,
lordship,
nothing
here
has
in
been
this
done.
matters, this coming in the simplest way, your lordship, petitioner was appointed in the under the scheme, and it is allotted with the SRC, what's the SIRC through this NEHU. Now she has enjoyed the benefit whatsoever available under the scheme. So, in the event of this, central government is given the scheme, and subsequently this scheme was no longer in existence. So, in such situation, neither way is central government will be in a position to give any answer about it, because what is the fund thereof in the time to time, it is given to this NEHU or this SIC. So, in such situation,
but she said that in spite of the scheme or the project being
allowed her to continue,
being concluded, she still has there are opportunities or there are provisions for her to be compensated.
there is no such provision.
Yes, your lordship, this is the Honorable Justice Karju's order, Allahabad High Court.
This is the whatever companies, you will see, as per my knowledge goes, in the company 25F is applicable, and if any company is going to be closed in the government, then in such situation this 3 months salary or another scheme is there, it is given. This is different, completely different one, and this is the scheme. Under the scheme, when the scheme in continue, if the person is appointed, even so many scheme it is happened even earlier also, if the scheme is central government given and the same department is giving another scheme, then it is under the department who is the person deployed by them to continue with the next scheme by this through this employee or not. Central government is looking after about it, just whether the same person is continuing or some other is coming. So scheme is given for the particular period and particular time, and the scheme also it is which is investigated to them, and then subsequently the department concerned, they are the person to decide what will be the salary and others. Central government is not coming to this.
You have not filed your counter.
Nothing, your lordship. Only one notice.
I have sent my this letter, but after this I didn't get any.
You get instructions.
So at the best, you will say I can try again.
You get instructions and see what are the ways.
Sometimes
you see what are the ways and means to at least help the petitioner
and
in such a situation.
So Lucy, I want to even just confirm about it. The address given whatsoever I am sending the notice.
When the scheme was discontinued or delinked from NEHU, no notice was given to her. And what is the relationship of the employee then? Whether she was after it was dealing, whether she was still getting her remuneration, those things have to be, and who is the controlling authority.
So if I get the this invitation, whom I have to address, because I have given earlier this address, it is not coming any for.
Ministry of Education Department, Government of India. What else, your lordship?
Same
address, only name has been changed. Only now it is not Ministry of Human Resource. It is Ministry of Education Department, Government of India. Same address, your lordship.
From here, there's Northeast Division proper address. If I get from this petitioner, that will be better.
Your lordship, how petitioner can provide? He is representing Government of India.
What is the name of the scheme?
Your lordship may come to annexure. Your lordship may come annexure 4, page 25. Your lordship, page 25 of my writ petition, your lordship.
It's 25.
Page 25, your lordship. And next page 25A is the type copy. Actually, she is a project officer, your lordship. Project officer supplying paper, books, materials. Page 26B, 3 and 6, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, clause 6, Your Lordship. Point number 6 of this page 25B, Your Lordship. All posts are tenable till 95 and most likely to continue. So petitioner continued up to 2018 and her salary, she has last drawn salary was, Your Lordship, 47,000 plus, Your Lordship. I have attached through additional affidavit also, Your Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship, one more small submission, Your Lordship, because as per order dated 24/4/2025, Honorable Court has directed Registry to issue notice to Education Department, Ministry of Education Department, but till no response. But it is since Mr. Devnath is representing central government, UGC, central government, Your Lordship, he can collect proper address or any instruction, Your Lordship.
You get your instruction, Mr.
1 week time maybe when Your Lordship. Otherwise, Your Lordship, 6 months, 1 year he has.
You get the instruction. If not, no instruction, then.
Because the petitioner is suffering like anything, Your Lordship. No other source of income.
Suffering or no suffering, the point is everything has
financially
to be,
suffering.
Everything has to be based on facts.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You cannot just because you're suffering, nothing can be given.
No, Your Lordship, I am not praying, Your Lordship. At least
first we have to see the validity of the
case, Your Lordship.
Scheme. Then whether it is incumbent upon the authorities concerned to compensate you, or,
yes, Your Lordship,
or to remunerate you, in spite of the fact that
but instead of
scheme, whether you see where is the the discontinuation of the scheme, if it is there, then we have to look into that also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in this matters, then I have to find out this Northeastern Division who is dealing with that. It will take some time, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, how this for last 23 case, Your Lordship, and
Your
now
Lordship,
at this
I have
age,
sent the letter, but I didn't get any response.
so many email is there, WhatsApp is there, so many means of communication is there, Your Lordship.
More than 1,000 unit is there, Your Lordship. And which unit I have to go? I am not in proper way, so that's why, and not proper address also.
It's the court of the order of the court 24.
Yes, I see, but this there should be some.
How are you representing Central Ministry of HRD? If there is no case at all, Your Lordship.
You should have made have you made the director this thing? Oh yes, he's also party. This director, has he appeared?
Your Lordship, their names have been deleted because this office is also no longer in. This chairperson governing body.
Respondent 5.
SSG 4 and 5 has been deleted because no more in existence, Your Lordship. Only these 3. But number 1 is Union of India, because Union of India represented by, as per the annexure, Your Ministry of Human Resource Development, New Delhi 1, Your Lordship. But my learned friend is.
Okay, let him seek instruction. Or Miss Study Learned Counsel to Petitioner, who has submitted that the relief sought for by the petitioner is directed against the Ministry of Education.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now it is Education Department.
Ministry of Education, Union of India, in the Union of India.
Mm.
However, till date, no counter affidavit has been filed by the said ministry, represented by the learned CGC. Mr. R. Devnath, next one, learned CGC, appearing for the respondent Union of India, has submitted that he may be allowed some time to seek instruction in this regard. Accordingly, on pre-admit, the same is allowed. It is made clear that the respondent Union of India in the Ministry of Education Department, which is the erstwhile Ministry of Human Resources, is to file the response definitely within the next date fix. On premium, this is matter after 3 weeks.
This is about 4 weeks.
4 weeks winter vacation will come, Your Lordship. So
3 weeks.
much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 10.
May I please proceed? In this matter, I am praying some more accommodation, Lordship.
Objection.
Year 4.
I am for respondent number 6, Lordship.
For 1 to 5.
On pre-made by respondent number 6, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 11.
My lord, item number 11, 12, 13 and 14, these were all connected matters.
For 10 days, Your Lordship, or 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Your Lordship.
On premier, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Sujai on premier by Mr. Andishwai Larabiji.